Patriots. It's Monday. I hope you're up and at 'em this morning. It's getting a little colder out. It's October 26th, so that means it's Halloween week. So we have to love that. If you looked on my Power School right here on my main page, I had a happy Halloween to everyone. So we kind of all love Halloween. Um, and it's going to be kind of a fun week. Today we are starting a new topic. It is our Earth's layers. We're on rocks and minerals, and we are off of life. So brand new unit, great time to start over, and hope everybody likes Earth science. So today we're going to focus on what is actually inside of our Earth. We look outside and we see green grass and we see rock, and that is all part of our crust. Now I'm going to try to dig a great big hole down to the center of the Earth, and the next thing I'm going to come to is the mantle. The mantle has the lithosphere and the asthenosphere, and it's the very largest layer of the Earth. So I'm at the upper mantle, and then I go to the middle mantle, and then I go to the lower mantle. Remember, I'm going down these stairs into the middle of our Earth. So inside the middle mantle, we have these convection currents, and we have molten material in there, kind of ebbing and flowing and pushing on our crust, and that's what causes our earthquakes and our volcanoes. So I leave the mantle and I enter the outer core. The outer core is the liquid portion. It's so hot and there's so much pressure down there that it turns liquid. Then I step down to the very center, which is our intercore, which is solid and made out of iron and nickel. So we are going to be focusing on these three layers, the crust, the mantle, and the core in today's station lab. Today is a 2-day activity, which you are going to find right here at Earth Station Lab. You have to make a copy. Remember, the first thing you do after you make a copy is running a little bit slow, is change your name and change the font color. So you're going to change your name up here. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks like a Google Slides, which it really is. Now, you can run this one of two ways. These are all interactive. You have to leave it in this mode. You cannot push present. You leave it right here to do all your work. So if you would like to go to the read it, you click the read it. It'll take you to slide 3. And then it says continue part 2. You would go down to slide 2 and then continue to questions. You would work your way through that. Then once you're done, it says go back to the lab room. So I'm going to go back to my lab room. Now I want to do explore it. Tells me it's going to take me to slide 6. And it says go to part 2. So that would be slide 7. Go back to part 1 or to part 3, tells you right there. Go to part 4, go to part 5. Now it looks like I'm finished here, so I'm going to go back to the lab room. Okay, so if you choose not to do that, you can just work your way through each one of those slides. And all of the links in here work. So that's going to take you to a YouTube video directly. And you're going to work your way at the end. The only thing that Miss Love and myself ask is that you do the assess last. The assess is last because it's kind of a small assessment, and it is going to be helpful if you've learned all the materials before we take an assessment. Now, you will turn this in back at under the activities tab, under assignments, under Earth Layer Station Lab. So I would just make sure today you get through about 4 of the centers, the read it, the write it, the research it, the illustrate it, whichever 4 you pick. And then tomorrow you can do the other 2. So brand new topic. Hope you're really excited, and this is a great time to get a fresh start. And if you have any questions, once again, you know always to email us. Thank you and have a great day.